Letter cha is made in 4 steps. The first step is a sleeping line just above the center half of the letter. Second step is a curved shape. Some part of the curved shape is repeated on this sleeping line. The third step is a standing line. Fourth step and the final step, headline, is made on the top of the letter. For this letter, headline covers the entire part of the letter. The mistake here is the second part is like a U shape. Actually, it should be like a C shape with some part repeated on this sleeping line. This part is repeated on this sleeping line. Letter cha is made in 4 steps. The first step is a curved shape, small curved shape. Second step is a bigger curved shape going upwards and ending with a circular shape. The circular shape should be made exactly at the center half. The third step is a sleeping line made above this circular shape. Fourth step and the final step, Sirorekha, and for this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. The mistake in these letters are the circular shapes are not made in the center half of the letter. Here it is made on the upper half and here it is made in the lower half. It should be exactly made in the center half of the letter. Letter ja is made in 4 steps. The first step is a standing line. Second step is a sleeping line made just above the center line. The third step is a curved shape, bend and going upwards to left side, and this part should not go beyond this line. In the third step, the beginning stroke has some repetition on this sleeping line. Some part is repeated here. The fourth step and the final step, Sirorekha. For this letter, Sirorekha is made covering the entire part of the letter. The mistake in this letter is the third step is made as a U. Here the third step begins like a curved shape and ends as a pointed shape. The pointed shape like how you will find in the front part of a boat. Letter ja is made in 6 steps. In this letter, first 3 steps are same like small letter E. The first step is a small standing line. Second step is a curved shape. Third step, a curved shape ending with a thin loop coming downwards. The fourth step is a small sleeping line made at the center of the letter. And the fifth step is a standing line. Sixth step and the final step, Sirorekha is made on the top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. So with the 6th step, the letter is completed. The mistake in these 2 letters are the fourth part is not placed properly. In this, the fourth part is made in the upper half and here it is made in the lower half. The fourth step should be made exactly at the center line. Letter Inya is made in 4 steps. The first step is a curved shape. The second part little longer than the upper part. The second step is a small sleeping line made at the center line. The third step is a standing line. The fourth step, headline. For this letter, headline covers the entire part of the letter. With these 4 steps, this letter is completed.